Hey guys, welcome to What Makeup. If you're new here, then hi, I'm Bon and welcome to my channel. I'm shooting this video in my sweater because it is officially cold and I think the winters are almost here. It's just, I think, a week's time that it's going to get super chilly. And who would have thought that this year is going to fly by like so quickly? I mean, it's almost November ending and December is here. 2020 is getting over. And thanks to coronavirus, I think we spent the major time of the year indoors. But while we've still been indoors, I think a lot of us are still going out. A lot of us are still meeting our friends, our family, with our masks on, of course. And while we're at that, I thought, why not shoot this simple and easy and quick video for a lot of you guys, where I am going to show you how you can convert any daytime makeup look or any basic makeup look that you have, something like this that I have on my face right now, into a nighttime winter cozy chic look that you can wear for your evenings out, for dinner parties, for a dinner date. And I'm going to show you how you can turn that with just 3 simple steps. So if you guys want to know how to do that and what those steps are, then let's get started. So what I have right now on my face is a very basic makeup that I've done. There's nothing extra or extraordinary. It's my basic blush, bronzer, some nude lips, kajal, mascara and all of that. And I think this is something that you probably might be already wearing if you're out and about, if you're at work, if you're out for a brunch, if you are maybe just running some errands or meeting some friends during the daytime. And if you suddenly have to change your plans, because it does get early evenings very quickly right now and the days are shorter, and you want to convert this into a nighttime makeup look, what you need to do is, first, tip number 1, get your favorite eyeliner handy. Whatever eyeliner you have, if you have a liquid liner, if you have a kajal, if you have a liner pen, whatever you have handy, get a couple of wing liners on, because I think wing liners are very classic. They are very elegant. And with whatever you might be wearing, I'm wearing a basic black sweater. If you are wearing a top, a jacket, maybe an overcoat, maybe just something that's more Indian, a wing liner is always the best option to go for to spruce up your eyes. And it's not too much, but it's definitely something that just makes your eyes stand out. So I'm going to get my wing liner on, and I'm using this liner from Maybelline Colossal. And I'm going to get back after drawing these, because I can't talk when I'm drawing my liners. So I'm back with my eyeliner on, and I have these little baby wings going on, which is super cute and I think appropriate to wear even if you don't want very bold eyes. And they just kind of highlight my eyes, so I really like that. Going on with tip number 2, what really stands out during the season are your flushed rosy cheeks, and definitely I'm sure a lot of you have a red nose, and if you don't have one that you probably get naturally during the season, you can always fake one with the right blush. Now I have the blush Gingerly from MAC. What you need to get this look on your face is any earthy toned or any blush that is not definitely shiny, that's not very pinky, that's not something very peachy, but something more on the neutral tones, and something that you can probably figure out by pinching your cheeks without any makeup, and you see what is the color that your cheeks turn into. So if it turns into a more earthy winey color, if it turns more pink, if it turns more coral, you can probably choose a color like that. The color that really suits me naturally the most when I have flushed cheeks during a very chilly season is something like this from MAC Gingerly blush. And I'm just going to take this on a blush brush, and I already have a little bit of blush, but that's absolutely okay. You can add on a little bit more. So I'm just going to smile and add a little on the apples of my cheek, like so. And also what you need to do is add in a little bit definitely on your nose, because it's the nose and this part especially that turns really red and very swollen during the winter season. So for that flush glow, you just want to go cohesive, adding on to this part of your area of your face. And finally, tip number 3. Get your hands on the boldest, deepest lipsticks that you have in your collection and get them all out ready for this season. I have right now a very nude lip that I was wearing before in my usual makeup. But if I need to turn my makeup look into a more winter appropriate makeup look, what I will do is I will just dab off the excess like the nude lip, and I will let the little bit of it remain because that's completely okay. And I'm going to get this lipstick from MAC, which is D for Danger, if you guys can read. A very good lipstick option also is Diva from MAC. Any berry tones, wine tones, cherry colored tones, tones that are very dark, maroon or deep brown colors, chocolate colors. I'm going to just quickly swatch this on my wrist and show you guys. So it's a very nice deep red colored, like berry toned red. Almost something on the lines of like a plum tone color, and super flattering and complimentary for, you know, warmer skin tones like us. I think it's a super nice color to wear, and especially during this time of the year, during fall and winter, it's the best time where you can wear all these deep bold colors and you can absolutely rock them in the season. So I'm just going to apply this on my lips. So that is me with the lips on, and as you guys can see, it's a complete transformation from what makeup I had initially that I was wearing, and it's the same makeup that I still have, but a couple of steps and a few tips and tricks over there, and you can turn any makeup look into winter appropriate cozy chic makeup look that you can wear to any of your occasions, outings that you might have. And yeah, this is what I have with me. I'm just going to finish off my extremely cozy winter look also with a stole around my neck, which is going to just add on to that look further up. So if you do have something like this handy, or if you do have any scarf or something, just add that on and you are all ready to go and grab your hot chocolate or your coffee or your midnight snack with friends or whatever you might be going to get out for. It kind of lets you do your makeup if you're out and about, if you're already on the go, if you're already out with friends, but you have these 3 or 4 things with you on the go in your makeup bag. You definitely can be ready for any of your winter outings anytime. If you enjoyed watching this video, then make sure that you thumbs it up, and if you are new to my channel, then make sure you subscribe to my channel if you are going to watch more content from me and What Makeup, and also hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my video uploads. I'm going to see you guys next week. Have a great week ahead. Happy winters to all of you. Take care. Stay safe. Bye.